Okay, hey my lovely students. This is just a review video for because you probably forgot everything over fall break. If you forgot to turn in your YouTube video descriptive paragraphs like this, make sure you get them turned in. Um, Hopefully by the time you're watching this video, I've graded them. If not, I don't know. I hope you all had a lovely fall break. And I know right now I'm in California, and depending on the time, I'm probably sitting in a teacher conference. So much fun. Hopefully they feed me good. But anyway, so this is a review of the stuff that your assignment on today will ask you about. So first, characterization, quick review, direct characterization, indirect characterization. So indirect characterization is that steal things, speech, thoughts, effect on others, actions, and looks. What did the speaker say? What do they think? How do they affect others? All that fun stuff. So not all of these things are always addressed, but they usually are. And then remember, we did this activity where the direct characterization is Terry doesn't like pets. And then indirect, you might say something like, Terry screamed when he saw a dog. That is an action that shows that he doesn't like pets. Okay, we also talked about how setting, and this is very important for your assignment today, is setting can go a lot towards determining the tone in the story and characterizing the characters, and setting often has to do with the conflict of the story, what the story is about, which is very important for what you'll be doing today. And then theme, brief reminder of a theme. A theme is a complete sentence, so it's not a single word. A message that could be applied in another situation or experience and especially can be applied to the reader. It is not a subject, so power would be a subject. It does not contain absolute phrases such as power will always corrupt you. The important part is it must be able to apply to multiple situations. So good examples of theme would be power can be corruptive and addicting, or love can change who you are. One more thing to quickly review is metaphor. So metaphor is when you compare one noun to another that it is not in order to describe the first noun. It doesn't use like, as, or then. So, for example, Miss H is a monarch butterfly, and we can't get her. Oh. So if you're stuck on metaphors, because you will have to write a metaphor for this assignment, write similes and then remove the like or as. So for example, the simile is the lightning made her run faster than a cheetah, and the metaphor would be the lightning made her a cheetah. Okay, so that is all as far as figurative language review. I will be making a grammar review for this up to show you that he or she should be able to find in the comments below. I've always wanted to do that, like those YouTube videos. So just click on the link in the comments below. Okay? Awesome. I will see you on Friday when I get back. Yay! Oh, and you can also find this in Canvas. So I have all the videos that I make. I'm going to put them in Canvas. It'll be underneath grammar videos, but if you want to watch it again because you miss me, who knows? So anyway, and then the grammar video I'm going to make will be right here as well. Okay, that's all. Love you all. You're my favorite students.